Dear friends, welcome back to my fishing channel. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide and expert from Prague, Czech Republic, and today I'm going to show you very simple and beginner friendly way to catch trouts. But it won't be river fishing, but lake fishing. And I will explain you how to catch this fish in the lake and why this fishing method is so fun. So let's begin. So this fishing method is called trout area fishing. It's mainly fishing for the rainbow trout, because rainbow trout can survive and can live a happy life in the lake, not only in the rivers. And as far as lures, there are very special lures for this type of fishing. I have a wallet for this kind of lures from a company Jackal. Timon. By the way, I can recommend this wallet, and if I will open it, you will see a lot of treasures. First page of my treasures. Here, look at that. All those spoons are different in color, shape, the presentation under the surface, and this is not all the colors you need if you are a competitive angler, but for the beginner or for amateur angler like me, it's more than enough, because you can catch a lot of trouts. They are very moody in the lakes, so it's very necessary to have lots of different colors and shapes. You will see later why. We're not going to use the landing net for now, but this stuff, this hook releaser, which is very convenient for this type of fishing, and you will see why a little bit later. So let's start. As you can see, there are a lot of fish just in front of me, but all of them are very close to the surface. And you know, I have an bright orange lure. I made a few casts and there are no bites. So as I told you before, they are very color sensitive. And now I will choose something different, because it looks like they prefer more natural colors. No, this exciting one. And maybe a little bit different shape. So probably I will go down with the size and try something like that. Yeah, for this weather, or maybe even this one. No, first this lure, a little bit flashy, but on the opposite side it's dark. So let's try this lure. Sometimes it works very well in sunny weather when fish are moody. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nice fish. Look at that. Wow, what a bite. As I told you, bite can be very strong, even from smaller fish. And this is smaller fish. Oh, beautiful trout. Oh, look at that. Yeah, very nice fish. That's it. Here I have my spoon back. So it's quite hard now to fish with spoons, because fish prefer very little ones, and there is a strong wind which makes casting not so nice. So since I see the fish very close to the surface, I'm going to use top folders. Oh, look at this fish. Oh, here we go. Oh, ho, 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 ho. It happens What a bite, guys! Very close to me. Nice fish. In this case, I should use landing net because there are two hooks here on this lure. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, look at them. Oh, they fight very well, by the way. Yeah. There we go. When you release back to the water these trouts, try to not touch them with your hands because they are very sensitive. Look, I didn't touch this fish, and now still it needs some help. No, come on, come on. Yeah. All right. Nice. Good size. By the way, on these waters, or this kind of waters, only barbless single hook is allowed. On spoons or hard plastic lures, it's important to understand because, as I said before, those rainbow trouts are quite sensitive, and it's important to release them very quickly. So it's spring. When weather is like this, rain, it's very good to have shelter, which usually is on all trout lakes like this. So if you go fishing together with your family, it's wild for kids. I just recommend you to try trout area fishing, at least because there is a shelter here in case of rain. It's sturgeon, so if you'd like to catch something bigger, there is also a chance here on this lake to catch sturgeon or carp. One more fish. Have we seen on top waters? Not a big one, but still very nice. Up. Now it's just time to get back. Look forward for the next video. Tight lines, and of course, be blessed. And I will probably catch one more fish. Self-released, self-unhooked. Perfect.